women, we complain things are no longer the same at the bed before we have got a child and after we have got a child, because now the taste is different. That's why you saw now you have got a child, especially you have got a normal birth. Guys, a vagina can't go back to normal as that before you have got a child most of the time, because men, they want tight vagina most of the time. That's why most of the women, they are complaining that why my husband is cheating on me, now we have got a child. Most of the time, guys, men, they want tight things. And sometimes you can say maybe you want to do something with your vagina to be tight. Guys, it can't go back to normal, especially if you've got a normal birth. Those people who've got operations are better than those who have got normal birth, because that vagina can be stretched and that man can come back on you. He can know that the test is different before you have got a child, because before you have got a child, that vagina was very tight, was tight. Guys, most of the time, guys, that's why you saw men are cheating, because men, they want tight things most of the time, and you can't do anything most of the time. You can't do anything sometimes, you understand. You have to accept it. Men, they are like kids. Sometimes he doesn't tell you that now your vagina is different or your taste is different before you have got a child. So other women, they complain, why my husband, now we have got a child, my husband is start cheating on me. The taste is different, guys. It's different because, guys, when you have got a normal birth, your vagina can become bigger when you have got a child, because, guys, you have got a child and that child came on vagina most of the time. So, guys, even we can say maybe can come back, or like it can't back as if it is before we have got a child most of the time. That vagina, even a man can sleep with you, he can enter, but he feels that there is something different, or he can enter but that thing is not tied to him, because men, they enjoy that thing is tight to him. So most of the time, that's why you saw your husband now is going out to other girls who have got tight vagina most of the time. He can go out because he enjoys that tight thing only. You don't do anything wrong. The problem is your vagina. That's why he is going out to other women most of the time. That's why he is going out and he can't tell you most of the time, because things are no longer the same. The taste is no longer the same. Before you have got a child, when he is enter your vagina, he can feel like something is tight looking good. That's why you saw most of the men, they want virgins most of the time, because they enjoy the tight thing. And now you are complaining things are no longer the same. Sometimes you can't do anything, guys. We are women and we can't do anything, because it's the way God created us most of the time. Now your vagina is no longer the same before you have got a child. But those people who are giving birth to operations are better, because they are giving birth to operation. That vagina are not most of the time like those people who have got normal birth.